Happy Thanksgiving! Today I'm going to share two turmeric recipes and a simple way to support healthy digestion. Hi, Rosalie here, wishing you a wonderful day. Typically, this would be take on Thursday time. However, supporting a healthy digestive system is far more important today. Well, every day really. But for today, welcome to Take on Thanksgiving. The first recipe will be great for tomorrow, the day after. It's a turmeric pineapple smoothie. With a number of desirable benefits for the body, it's no wonder that people have used turmeric and turmeric oil for years. When taken internally, it can help support healthy immune function and response, as well as healthy circulation. You'll love the tropical flavors of pineapple, coconut water, and banana, while also enjoying the benefits turmeric essential oil provides to the body. It contains frozen pineapple, coconut water, of course, our turmeric oil, banana, a dash of cinnamon, and ice cubes. You're going to combine all the ingredients in a blender and pulse it all together and serve it immediately. This recipe is sure to give you a great start the day after you may have, let's say, just overeaten a little bit. The second recipe is turmeric tea, and it has coconut milk and it's all about the turmeric oil, which gives it a surprisingly subtle herbal flavor. There are many varied reasons for taking turmeric oil internally, and this tea offers a delicious and healthy way to do so. While you can buy turmeric spice at your grocery store, this turmeric oil has been shown to increase the potency of a substance found in turmeric roots called curcumin. Curcumin is used in India for a variety of health concerns. However, it can be hard for the body to absorb it, which brings us to another benefit of using the oil, this one here from doTERRA, instead of the spice. Because of the tumerones in the oil, it can increase how well your body can absorb it. The coconut milk and butter have natural fatty acids and make for a creamy texture. If you're lactose intolerant, don't worry. Ghee, which is Ghee, is a great alternative. It's known as clarified butter. And while the lactose is gone, the butter taste is left behind. Honey is used as a natural sweetener, but it also contains helpful vitamins and minerals. The ingredients are coconut milk, water, honey, the ghee or the butter, and 1 to 2 drops of our turmeric essential oil. Remember, doTERRA, certified pure therapeutic grade. Turmeric spice you can use for a garnish if you want. You want to heat the coconut milk and the water in a saucepan on low for 3 to 4 minutes. Add butter, honey, turmeric essential oil, and stir until the butter melts and the ingredients combine. Pour into mugs and add a pinch of the turmeric powder as an optional garnish, and then serve it hot. You can also add a drop of ginger oil if you want for a heartier flavor and also for more digestive support. I'm excited for you to try these recipes. Digestion is one of the most important and least understood parts of nutrition. Not only can ineffective digestion result in discomfort, but it can also affect how well your body utilizes the nutrition it takes in. Our digestion soft gels, this looks like this, a little soft gel, offers the support of our digestion digestive blend of essential oils in a convenient, ready-to-use dietary supplement in that nice capsule. It's awesome. Each vegetarian soft gel contains 120 milligrams of digestion, the proprietary oil blend containing ginger, peppermint, tarragon, fennel, caraway, anise, and coriander, and developed specifically to support efficient digestion. Whether you are in need of relief from bloating or occasional stomach discomfort or looking for a long-term maintenance of the gastrointestinal tract, digestion soft gels are the perfect on-the-go support of proper digestion. So I hope you brought it along today. Holiday meals are something we look forward to, we plan for, and we enjoy, but the aftermath is often very uncomfortable. So around these holidays, we often have traditional meals and desserts that tend to be something that we overindulge in. So leaving us with regret and serious stomach discomfort is not okay. So I hope that you have your digestion soft gels or you get them soon so you have them on hand before the next holiday comes around. Because when you're eating those heavy holiday meals, we want to be able to promote digestion and leave the holiday parties with a smile on your face. I have so many other ideas to share, however, another time. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like these ideas and want the recipe information, please click the link in my post. Now, Friday follow-ups will be about wrapping up this week, answering your questions, some resources to assist you in your knowledge, and much more. I hope you are now ready to take on Thanksgiving or take on any Thursday and have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.